Jai Baba. Nothing is real but God. Nothing matters but love for God. God is the only reality. All else that seems real is illusory. God and I are one. Meher Baba. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Jai Baba to everyone. And once again we meet by Baba's grace in his remembrance, in his love. Generally after we all end the session, I get several phone calls, nice ones, and suggestions to do this, to do that. So one of the suggestions that came by was, if you remember yesterday, Nimesh had asked us, okay, bhai, what if there is some kind of a, there is no cohesive decision, what do you do? And I said, then you go by votes, because Baba was very democratic. So our friend Rajnikant Bhai, I'm sure he's here in our meeting. For those who do not know Rajnikant Bhai, he is the secretary of the Surat Center. He has done some wonderful work of translating Gujarati. God speaks Gujarati, God speaks into Gujarati. A wonderful job done, very, very beautifully done. He has also come out with Baba's Charitra, that is life story of Meher Baba, complete life story of Meher Baba in Gujarati, and he also writes small articles in Gujarati. So Rajnikant Bhai immediately called me, even before I could leave the meeting actually, and said, Ki Baba, you remember once, you talked about democracy, correct, but there are certain areas where you cannot be democratic, and he is right. What had happened was, Baba had announced in the year 1949, as you all know, that he was to embark upon what is called the new life. और उस समय हिंदी इंग्लिश आई जस्ट भेलपुरी, उस समय बाबा ने बताया था कि ये जो न्यू लाइफ है, several points were there. It is nothing but in one word, satyanashi. That means total ruination, total annihilation of everything. Hopelessness, helplessness, total dependence on God, and we are not going to come back into this life. We are going to leave everyone and everything and just go wherever God takes us. He made such a picture like it is nothing short of a living death kind of thing. So the Manli people said that when Jesus was to be crucified, he also said that he will never come back to Mehrabad, Mehrazad. Everything was just disposed of, right? So, I really admire the Mandli's, sense of whatever you call it, humor or whatever. So, Mandli Jan Baba को बताते हैं कि जब Jesus ऐसे सूली पे चढ़ गए थे, when he was crucified, there was what is called the Last Supper. So, Last Supper was laid out, as we all know, एक photograph भी है, Jesus with all his 12 apostles, and they are having nice food and they were having wine. So some of them said कि बाबा अभी हम लोग ऐसे ही जा रहे हैं, मरने को जा रहे हैं, so let us enjoy the last day of that, before going, by having a nice mutton biryani. So because there were some followers who were, and many of the followers of Meher Baba were non-vegetarian till the very end. So Baba nodded and said, okay, ठीक है, चलो अभी आपको मन करता है मटन बिरयानी खाने का तो ठीक है. Then they said that Jesus also served wine, so we should also be allowed to have some wine and whiskey and all that. And Baba said, okay, done. And then they said, then the point is, where should we have all these things, biryani and wine and whiskey and all that? So they said, we can have it in the Manli Hall. That is the Mehrabad Manli Hall, where we are going, where we are always going and paying our respects. Sorry? Yeah, okay, next to Raurik. Everybody knows what is Manli Hall. If they know Raurik, they would definitely know what is Manli Hall. Mehrabad Manli Hall. And so, Baba, they all said we'll have it over here. And that was the place where most of the meetings were happening, Sahawasis were happening. So Dhake Phalkar, that was one of them, and I don't know who's the other. There were two of them who objected. Okay, nothing doing. This is a place which is so pious, and we cannot defile this place by having mutton and by having wine and all these things. So a big debate happened. Then finally, because of so many people like Dr. Ghani, like Adi K. Irani, like everybody who were all non-vegetarian stalwarts, they said okay, and they knew that they would win if they take a vote. So they said, okay, now let us take a vote then, since we are not coming to any conclusion. And they knew that everything Baba would do in a very democratic manner. So they said, let us take vote. So everybody voted, we must enjoy, we must drink, we must eat, except for Dhake Phalkar and one more, I forgot the name. So then they all said, wow, we won and all that. I think it was only one, because Baba, it was only once. Then Baba said, but Dhake Phalkar says that we should respect this place, we should not. But Baba, he is the only one among so many of them, we are the majority. That is where Baba says a very beautiful sentence. In spirituality, there is no democracy or there is no majority. It is a concern of spirituality, and even if one person's feelings are hurt by this, then we should not allow this to happen. And then ultimately they had to have that whatever that whiskey, brandy, beer, whatever that may be, wine, into some jhopatpatti. They had to go in a jhopatpatti in Vishnu's place and have it. So all these people said that this is a common aspect of Meher Baba's life, कि हमारे पास जब भी बहुत very very strong desires होती है, तो Baba may fulfill the desire, but at the same time there will be such a clause that we are not able to enjoy the desire, and then हम लोग बोलते हैं बाबा जाने दो, हमको नहीं मांगता है, छोड़ दो करके. A similar thing happened, I don't know what the place was, when I think it was Elizabeth Peterson and some of the Westerners, they wanted Goa. It was in Goa. Soumya promised me to say it was in Goa. When they said कि Goa के ice cream बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, we want to have ice creams in Goa because बहुत प्रख्यात है Goa के ice cream. So then, okay, Baba said it's a very good idea. We must all have ice cream and enjoy the ice cream and all that. So they are very happy that now we are going to have ice cream. So Baba calls Dr. Nilkant and says कि बाबा आइसक्रीम खाने से मैंने सुना है कि सर्दी पकड़ लेती है, आइसक्रीम खाने से गला पकड़ लेता है. So what is the antidote for that, so that गला नहीं पकड़ेगा? तो डॉक्टर नीलू बोलते हैं कि लहसुन की चटनी खाएगा, लहसुन चटनी, you can imagine, तो वो नहीं पकड़ेगा. Baba says very good. So when the ice cream came, his order was that with every morsel of the ice cream you must counter with lasan chutney so that you don't feel cold. So there also they said, oh baap re baap, Baba ke saath you cannot express your desires, because Baba would agree to that, but at the same time he will put such a clause that we fail to enjoy the enjoyment. So I thought I'll talk about that. Then there were some calls and some WhatsApp messages which said that you spoke about, we were speaking about COVID, and I also spoke in my talk with the Hyderabad that Baba is the being of all beings. That means he is in the minutest of things, and that we must learn now to see God not only in things which are pleasant, which are acceptable, which are beautiful, but we must also see God in things which are unacceptable to us, which are ugly, filthy, not beautiful and all that. So उसपे से, because somebody said that when you refer to that तुम ही तो हो, what is it? Let us know what is तुम ही तो हो. So now Soumya is going to read that entire 28 stanza तुम ही तो हो side by side. What is the English translation? Now how did this come about? In 1959, Baba had given to Bhauji the first stanza of this, what you may call as a prayer or a poem prayer or a prayer poem, first stanza of Tum Hi To Ho, and it was all forgotten. That is Baba's style. He would just give something and then everything forgotten, and then after a little while the whole thing will again prop up somehow. So in 1962, Baba was working upon the book called The Everything and the Nothing, and he was discussing some matters about forgiveness and forgive and forget and all that, which I hope if we get time we'll do that passage. At that time, this was somewhere around 31st of August. Around that time, or maybe a little bit of spilling over September, Baba called Bauji and told him that this is the manuscript of The Everything and the Nothing. It is very interesting and I want you to translate it into Hindi. उनका हिंदी में आप अनुवाद करो. And Baba said, it is very interesting, but make it interesting. So Bauji said, if the English is interesting, definitely, naturally, the Hindi will also be interesting. So Baba said, that I don't know. But you see that you make it interesting and you write it in very simple language so that the Hindi speaking crowd will be able to understand and appreciate. So बाबूजी जाके घर में अपने रूम में जाके सोच रहे थे कैसे इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना. Then he thought that instead of writing it as a prose, let me write it as a conversation, question answer kind of thing. So he did one discourse, and then next day when he met Baba, when he was there on the watch, we all know that he used to be a night watchman for Baba. He said, Baba asked him immediately, आपने किया क्या? बोला हाँ मैंने एक डिस्कोर्स किया है, पढ़ के सुनाओ. तो उन्होंने सुनाया. Baba liked it very much. I said, Baba said, yeah, this is exactly what I want. तो बाकी के भी ऐसे ही करना, लेकिन उसमें आप थोड़े सॉन्ग्स भी ऐड करना. और उसके बाद में बाबा ने बोला उसमें आप कोई प्रेयर भी ऐड करना. So the moment Baba used the word prayer, he remembered that some years back, that was in 1959. Now this is in 1962. Bauji remembered that he had given me one stanza of that prayer. So let me evolve on that. Let me work on that. So after a few days he worked on it and told Baba that he has made some prayer, and 11 stanzas, 11 Bauji made. And Bauji writes in Lord Meher that on that particular day when he went for a night watch, Baba was in a very good mood, very sad. And he said, Baba said, okay, now I am dictating certain things, and Baba kept on dictating for hours together. And Baba himself added 17 more stanzas. So that made it 28 total. Now in those that Baba added, you are a dog, you are a pig, you are a mosquito, you are a gnat, you are a lice, all that was there. And when Bauji was reading it out to the Mandli, like a prayer, Dr. C.D. Deshmukh, when he once visited Baba, and also Bal Natu, they were laughing. They were laughing at Bauji, what sort of prayer you have written. Couldn't you find some nice attributes that you are telling Baba that you are a pig and you are an ass and you are a dog and you are this and that karke? Bauji kept quiet, but he was very much taken aback. So when he went to Baba the next time, he said, Baba, dekho na, ye log mere ko haste hai. They don't know that you have dictated. And he could not say ke Baba ye to Baba ne di hai karke. So he kept quiet. So Baba said, do not change a single word. This is very important. In the future, घर घरों में ये प्रार्थना पढ़ी जाएगी. And what is more important is that public humanity should know that God is not just in the nice, beautiful, acceptable things, but God is also in those things which we find as ugly, dirty, filthy, unacceptable, not beautiful things. So this is the prayer that Soumya will be reading, Hindi and English, and thereafter, time permitting, we will move on. Come a little this way.
तुम ही तो हो, you alone exist. बाहर भीतर ज्ञान के आगर, करुणा सागर तुम ही तो हो. सकल चराचर गुण के सागर, मेहर प्रभुवर तुम ही तो हो. O priceless treasure of knowledge, you are within and without, and you are the ocean of mercy. You are in all the worlds. You are the ocean of attributes. O Meher, God incarnate, you alone exist. तुम्ही हो यजदान, तुम्ही हो इज्जत, अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम्ही तो हो, राम तुम्ही हो बुद्धा, प्यारे गिरिवर तुम्ही तो हो. You are Yazdan, you are Izzat, you are Allah and Ishwar, you are Ram and you are Buddha, you are beloved Lord Krishna, who with one finger lifted the mountain. You alone exist. परब्रह्म तुम्ही हो ईश्वर, दया के सागर तुम्ही तो हो, तुम्ही पयंबर हो पुरुषोत्तम, ज्ञान के आगर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the beyond God and the beyond God also. O ocean of kindness, you alone exist. You are Muhammad, you are perfection personified, you are knowledge itself and you alone exist. हर में तुम हो, हर ही तुम हो, ज्योतिष प्रियवर तुम्ही तो हो, निर्गुण तुम हो और सगुण भी, पी लीलाधर तुम्ही तो हो. You live in everyone and you are everyone. O beloved, you are the enlightened one and you alone exist. You are without attributes and with attributes. You are the sole player in the divine game. You alone exist. तुम्ही निराले, तुम्ही अकेले, सब में बसकर तुम्ही तो हो, अविचल स्वामी, अविचल धामी, सबके ऊपर तुम्ही तो हो. You are matchless, the only one. You reside in every heart and you alone exist. You are eternally motionless and immovable is your abode. You are the highest, for you alone exist. कर्ता कारक कर्म तुम्ही हो, पालक गुरुवर तुम्ही तो हो, साधन साधक और साधना मेहर प्रभुवर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the doer, the deed and the cause of doing. The sustainer you are and the master of masters. You alone exist. You are the seeker, the worship and the sadhana, form of worship. O Meher, God incarnate, you alone exist. आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे स्वामी घर घर तुम्ही तो हो, परे परे हो भरे भरे हो, सबके अंदर तुम्ही तो हो. You are in the front and behind. You are above and below. O Lord, you live in every house and you alone exist. You are beyond, yet you remain within everyone. You are all pervading and you alone exist. तुम्ही कबीला, तुम्ही बसीला, सकल चराचर तुम्ही तो हो, ऊपर नीचे जहाँ कहीं भी एक बराबर तुम्ही तो हो. You are in each neighborhood. You are the sustainer. You yourself are all worlds and you alone exist. Everywhere, whether above or below, you are complete. You alone exist. तुम्ही अगोचर गोचर भी हो, सब में हरिहर तुम्ही तो हो, कोई नहीं है सिवाय तुम्हारे, परम उजागर तुम्ही तो हो. You are unseen, yet seen also. You live in everyone, forgiving each his sins. You alone exist. There is no one without you. You are manifesting and unmanifest as you alone exist. तुम्ही हो इंसान, तुम्ही पक्षी, मछली जानवर तुम्ही तो हो, खटमल पीसू सांप और बिच्छू, चींटी मच्छर तुम्ही तो हो. You are man, you are bird, you are fish and animals, for you alone exist. You are bugs and gnats, you are snakes and scorpions, you are ants and mosquitoes, for you alone exist. तुम्ही हो कीड़ा, तुम्ही हो गोड़ा, स्वर्ण ब्रह्म खर तुम्ही तो हो, हिरण तुम्ही हो हाथी, बिल्ली बंदर तुम्ही तो हो. You are insects, you are lice, you are dogs, asses and pigs, you alone exist. You are deer and elephants, you are cats and monkeys, you alone exist. चांद सितारे उषा तुम्ही हो, रजनी दिनकर तुम्ही तो हो, तुम्ही हवा हो, तुम्ही हो पानी, सारे जलचर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the moon and the stars, the dawn and the night, and the sun and also the light. You alone exist. You are the wind and the water and the animals of the water. You alone exist. चांदी सोना तांबा लोहा पीतल पत्थर तुम्ही तो हो. चाय तुम्ही हो कॉफी चीनी शक्कर तुम्ही तो हो. You are silver and gold. You are copper and iron. You are brass and stone. You alone exist. You are tea and coffee and sugar also. You alone exist. तुम्ही हो कागज, किताब तुम्ही हो, शाला दफ्तर तुम्ही तो हो. कलम तुम्ही हो स्याही, लेखक सुंदर तुम्ही तो हो. You are paper and the book. You are the school and office. You alone exist. You are pen and ink, and you are the gifted writer. You alone exist. द्वार तुम्ही हो खिड़की, संगे मरमर तुम्ही तो हो. तुम्ही दवा हो, तुम्ही बीमारी, वैद्य गरोगर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the door and window. You are the marble floor. You alone exist. You are the medicine and the disease and the doctor also. You alone exist. खेल तुम्ही खिलाड़ी, दर्शक प्रभुवत तुम्ही तो हो. फूल तुम्ही हो, शूल तुम्ही हो, खुशबू शिखर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the game and the player and the spectator also. You alone exist. You are the flower and the thorn, and you are the fragrance. You alone exist. तुम्ही हो गायक, तुम्ही हो वीणा, मधुर मधुर स्वर तुम्ही तो हो. नमाज तुम हो, कलाम तुम हो, जादू मंत्र तुम्ही तो हो. You are the singer, you are the musical instrument, you are the sweet tune, for you alone exist. You are the prayer and the words of the prayer. You are the forces of evil and the powers of light. You alone exist. तुम्ही सिपाही, तुम्ही हो लश्कर, सबके अफसर तुम्ही तो हो. तुम्ही हो माझी, तुम्ही हो नौका, निर्मल सागर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the soldier and the army and the supreme general. You alone exist. You are the sailor, the ship, the wide ocean. You alone exist. तुम्ही हो किश्ती, तुम्ही हो तूफान, मोतियों जौहर तुम्ही तो हो. तुम्ही हो साहिल, तुम्ही ना खुदा हो, और समंदर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the storm's turbulence and the tranquil waters. You are the pearl and you are the shell. You alone exist. You are the shore, the ferryman and the sea also. You alone exist. तुम्ही भिखारी, तुम्ही हो दाता, दान मनोहर तुम्ही तो हो. दास तुम्ही हो स्वामी, प्रभु परात्पर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the beggar, the giver and the charity. You alone exist. You are the slave and the Lord. You are the beyond God. You are God. You alone exist. माता पिता गुरु बंधु स्नेही कुटुंब बिरादर तुम्ही तो हो. सिवा तुम्हारे न कोई दूजा, हमेशा अवसर तुम्ही तो हो. You are mother and father. You are master, brother and friend. You are family and relative. You alone exist. There is no one besides you. Eternally you are, for you alone exist. तुम ही जिगर हो, दिल भी तुम हो, सबके दिलबर तुम्ही तो हो. तुम्ही हो प्रीतम, तुम्ही हो प्रेमी, प्रेम सुधाकर तुम्ही तो हो. You are pran, energy, and you are heart. You are also the beloved of the heart. You alone exist. You are the beloved and the lover, and you are the nectar of love, as you alone exist. सांस तुम्ही हो जीवन, स्वामी मनहर तुम्ही तो हो. तुम्ही मका हो, तुम्ही मकी हो, सबके अंदर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the breath and life itself. Our minds are enthralled by your beauty, for you alone exist. You are the house, You are the inhabitants and the bricks and furnishings. You alone exist. तुम ही पुजारी, तुम ही हो पूजा, सबके परवर तुम ही तो हो. तुम ही चेतना, तुम ही साधना, नेहर प्रभुवर तुम ही तो हो. You are the worshipper, the worshipped, and the one worshipped, as you alone exist. You are consciousness and the way to consciousness. O Meher, God incarnate, you alone exist. तुम ही हो ख्वाजा, कुतुब तुम ही हो, पीरो कलंदर तुम ही तो हो. तुम ही हो हाफिज, तुम ही सनाई, दारा सिकंदर तुम ही तो हो. You are ख्वाजा, you are kutub, you are Peer and Kalandar. You alone exist. You are Hafiz, you are Sanai, you are Dara and Alexander. You alone exist. ईसा तुम्ही हो, तुम्ही इलाही, पाक समंदर तुम्ही तो हो. तुम्ही हो कुरान, तुम्ही नमाजी, बली पयंबर तुम्ही तो हो. You are Jesus Christ, you are Ilahi, you are the ocean infinite and pure. You alone exist. You are the Quran, the one who prays. You are Wali and you are the messenger. You alone exist. आदि तुम्ही हो, अंत तुम्ही हो, परे गुणाकार तुम्ही तो हो. परम मनोहर परम सहोदर, नेहर प्रभुवर तुम्ही तो हो. You are the beginning and you are the end. You are also beyond the beginning and beyond the end. You alone exist. You are infinitely beautiful and infinitely close. O Meher, God incarnate, you alone exist. तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा, तुम्ही हो विष्णु, भोला शंकर तुम्ही तो हो. भाव कहता ओ प्यारे मेहर, शब्द और अक्षर तुम्ही तो हो. You are Brahma and you are Vishnu. You are the guileless Shankar. You alone exist. Bhav says, O beloved Meher, you are the word and you are the letter. You alone exist. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. This is the poem prayer, and several times during the Sahwas programs also, Baba would stop the singer or just stop the program and then say that, do you know what my experience is? My experience is that I am sitting on this, the chair. My experience is that I am all the devotees. Here somebody is singing. My experience is that I am the song, that I am the words of the song, that I am the instruments which are playing the song. So in other words, his experience is that he is everyone and everything. So I suppose the way Baba said this, he has taken so much of trouble to dictate so many stanzas, itself shows that this prayer is going to be really very important in times to come, when humanity will reach that maturity of trying to see God in everyone and everything, and not just in things which are pleasant, which are beautiful and which are acceptable. So that finishes Tumhi To Ho.